We interrupt the regular programming. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. A blizzard warning has been issued. You need to stay in your house. Do not go outside. Else you have any blizzards, you will get freezed. Emotional death. In these situations, the weather has been worser. Right now, also as known as the snowiest disaster, has noticed, the ice will be freezed up for no reason. You don't have any lives or anything. Just told your families that you stay in their homes. If you need to know if your house is in danger, then hide in the shelter immediately. Do not evacuate the house. You need to know about the situations. Do also not go outside. Evacuate the house, or do not hide in the shelter. Keep the channel on for more information.